Here's a pair of the JBL Live 660 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Apple computer, a MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing we should do is go ahead and put these in a pairing mode, okay? So you have the on-off button here. Let me turn these headphones on first. Let me go ahead and just swipe that up. Give it 1 second, the light's going to pop up here, okay? Now, you'll know it's in pairing mode if you're getting a blue blinking light. Blue, blue, blue. I get a solid blue light. The reason is because I'm currently connected to another phone. So let me manually put this in pairing mode for myself, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and look at this button all the way down here. It's a Bluetooth button right there. I'm just going to tap it once, and now we get a blue blinking light, which means it's in pairing mode. Now that it's in pairing mode, we're going to jump over to our Apple computer. We're going to go to System Settings, so you can go to the Apple logo, top left-hand side, and just go to System Settings. From here, go ahead and tap on Bluetooth. And now make sure Bluetooth is turned on right there. And you can see this little spinny thing right here. It's spinning. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it should show up here, okay? These are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue. Let's see if it found it. Yep, there it is right there. I'm going to slide over here and click on connect. Oh, I just heard the chime on here, and you can see that we're connected and we're ready to rock and roll. Now, if you had any kind of issues, pairing problems or connection problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below for that link in the description area.